Welcome to our channel. If Bank of America app shows errors or login issues, these proven troubleshooting steps will resolve them quickly. Step 1. Verify your login credentials. Double-check username and password, ensuring caps lock is off. Step 2. Check Bank of America system status. Visit their website or call to confirm no outages. Step 3. Update the Bank of America app. Install any available updates from your App Store immediately. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Bank of America, then Clear Cache and Data. Step 5. Ensure location services are enabled. The app may require location verification for security. Step 6. Check your device date and time settings. Set to automatic for proper authentication. Step 7. Disable any VPN connections. Banking apps block VPNs for security reasons. Step 8. Reset your password if needed. Use the Forgot Password option for a fresh start. Step 9. Uninstall and reinstall the app completely. This eliminates any corrupted files causing errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.